Did you know that the Moto X70 Air has a battery life that can last up to 2 days on a single charge? That's pretty impressive for a smartphone. The Moto X70 Air is a device that has been making waves in the tech community, and for good reason. Its sleek design and promising specs have many people excited to see what it can do. In this review, we'll be taking a close look at whether it lives up to the hype. From its camera capabilities to its battery life, we'll cover it all. What sets the Moto X70 Air apart from other smartphones on the market is its focus on providing a premium experience at an affordable price. It's clear that Motorola has put a lot of thought into this device, and it shows in its performance. But how does it stack up against other devices in its class? Motorola, as a brand, has been around for a while, and the Moto X series has been a significant part of its lineup. The series has evolved over the years, with each new iteration bringing something new to the table. The Moto X70 Air is the latest in this line, and it's clear that Motorola has learned from its past experiences. The Moto X series has always been known for its high-quality cameras, and the Moto X70 Air is no exception. With a quad-camera setup, this device is capable of taking some truly stunning photos. The camera app is also very user-friendly, making it easy to switch between modes and adjust settings. One of the standout features of the Moto X70 Air is its battery life. With a large battery and power-saving features, this device can easily last a day and a half on a single charge. And when you do need to charge it, the fast charging capabilities mean you can get back to full power in no time. In terms of design, the Moto X70 Air is a sleek and stylish device. The screen is large and vibrant, making it perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. And with a durable build, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged easily. The Moto X70 Air also comes with some unique functionalities, such as a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. These features add an extra layer of security to the device, making it even more appealing to potential buyers. But what really sets the Moto X70 Air apart is its performance. With a powerful processor and plenty of RAM, this device can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or just browsing the web, the Moto X70 Air can keep up. Of course, no device is perfect, and the Moto X70 Air does have some drawbacks. One of the main cons is its price, which may be a bit steep for some buyers. Additionally, some users may find the software to be a bit bloated. Despite these drawbacks, the Moto X70 Air is a solid choice for anyone looking for a new smartphone. Its pros include its excellent camera, long battery life, and sleek design. And with a range of storage options available, you can choose the one that best fits your needs. When it comes to comparing the Moto X70 Air to other devices on the market, there are a few that stand out. The Samsung Galaxy S series and the Apple iPhone are two of the main competitors, but the Moto X70 Air holds its own against these high-end devices. In terms of advantages, the Moto X70 Air has a few that set it apart from the competition. For one, its price is significantly lower than many of its competitors, making it a more affordable option. Additionally, its battery life is among the best in its class. However, there are also some disadvantages to consider. One of the main cons is that the Moto X70 Air may not have all the bells and whistles that some of its competitors do. For example, it doesn't have wireless charging or a headphone jack. As someone who spent a fair amount of time with the Moto X70 Air, I have to say that it's been a great experience. The device has become my daily driver, and I've been impressed with its performance. One standout moment was when I used it to take photos on a trip, and the camera really impressed me. The Moto X70 Air has also had an impact on my daily life in a few ways. For one, it's made it easier for me to stay connected with friends and family. And with its long battery life, I don't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of the day. Overall, I give the Moto X70 Air a solid rating. It's a great device that's well worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartphone. My only suggestion would be to consider your needs carefully before making a purchase. If you're someone who values a premium experience without the hefty price tag, then the Moto X70 Air is definitely worth checking out. And if you're already a Motorola fan, then you'll likely love this device. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to check out my other videos, where I review more tech products and share my honest opinions. And if you have any thoughts on the Moto X70 Air, I'd love to hear them in the comments below.